So I just wanted to change up the intro just to see how it would go. Try something different. So today I'm just going to do a quick video on a different kind of lighter called a plasma arc lighter, and it's pretty much replacing the traditional type of lighters with a type of fuel in it. Alright, so like I was saying, most lighters that people use have, they're changing them a little bit, but they're pretty much still the same. Flexible lid, or like most people carry, are the smaller lighters. Alright, so a lot of reasons why, it's probably better to switch over to one of the other kinds. Especially with this kind, what I started having problems with. I don't know if you can see, most time I use it like to light candles. But the reason why I don't like this type anymore is sometimes you can't tell how much fluid is left in there, how much fuel is left, and then you also get like a reaction like this. So again, no flame. Plus, if you do it long enough, just leaves a black, residue on your finger. And then this type, they're still good. This one works. Still bright. But again, every time you use it, it's releasing some kind of, a hazardous, dangerous gas that you have to deal with. And then if it's windy, it blows it right out. That's why with this version, all you have to do is, charge it. Once it's charged, you're just gonna flick it up. It's gonna light. And then you can just click it on. Just push the power button and it clicks on. And with this one, even in the wind, it's not gonna blow it out. I think pretty much any place you go, they're selling them now, so you can find them pretty easily. If you don't want it if you don't want this kind, you can also get one that's shaped like a traditional lighter. That way you can carry those more easily, take it wherever you go. Again, like I said, not flammable. And light your candle. Sorry about that. Still a little bright, but yeah. Alright, that's pretty much just this thing all summed up pretty easily. Alright, thanks for watching.